Introduction to the FES Solution Platform. HP FES solution platforms include FSM UCI, FES and FSM Lite, and FES API Suite. HP badged repair technicians work with many devices, applications, and tools to solve complex problems using FSM UCI. They need a solution to see all their tools and applications in one place. FSM UCI features include FSM RESCO capability, diagnostic capability, WISE and smart content, send commands, CT validation, UEFID, IoT devices, warranty validation, part server, QR code reader, entitlement check, survey on demand, notifications and alerts, live parking location tracking, and SPOS plus lead and sales. These features help on-site technicians serve customers quickly, avoiding multiple visits. This mobile solution meets on-site needs with single sign-on access to multiple tools to increase CE productivity. Sub-K partners using ADAX have many work orders to manage along with diagnostics capability needs. FES fulfills the diagnostics capability. FSM Lite fulfills the diagnostics capability and work order management. They need a single window for quick WO reference and diagnostic tool access. Instead of wondering what to do and wishing for a diagnostic tool, FES or FSM Lite solutions offer valuable features service technicians need. FES features include diagnostic capability, WISE or smart content, send commands, CT validation, orphan device search, UEFID, IoT devices, warranty validation, part server, QR code reader, entitlement check, notifications and alerts, and SPOS plus lead and sales. FSM Lite features include diagnostic capability, WISE or smart content, send commands, CT validation, orphan device search, UEFID, IoT devices, E2E work order management, partner and schedule dashboard, reporting capability, KCI email, warranty validation, part server, QR code reader, entitlement check, notifications and alerts, and SPOS plus lead and sales. When a customer needs help with their device, service technicians need access to tools at their fingertips. Finding a solution can be efficient and easy, but some issues are very complex, and more information is needed to solve the device problem. The FES API Suite can integrate with partners' existing mobile applications, pulling in more information and tools. This gives service technicians what they need to succeed and find quick solutions. FES API Suite features include diagnostic capability, WISE with UEFI decoder and SNR, etc., CT validation, orphan device search, IoT devices with store search, store email, smart diagnosis, etc., part server, QR code reader, entitlement check, Direct Tech Assist, formerly known as AR/VR, WhatsApp plus Live Lens, SPOS plus lead and sales, and survey on demand. FES solution platforms are designed to help repair technicians efficiently resolve customer device problems.